What's up, guys? It's Shark Puppet Connor here. And I forgot to turn off the flashlight. Give me a sec. Okay, sorry about that, guys. But today's video is we're gonna be going to Walmart and what are we gonna buy?
A new phone.
Yeah, we're gonna buy a new phone at Walmart. Let's go! Let's go. Alright, the video starts in 3, 2, 1. Alright, guys, that was the intro. That was the intro. Now, let's go! Okay, open the garage. Yeah. Jesus, the motor. Whoa. Whoa. That Christmas decoration's so beautiful. Wow. Alright, let's go into the car. Do you want to decorate it beautiful like that?
Huh? We
Here.
have some decorations.
Here.
We have some.
Yeah. Okay. In the car. Oh. Okay, my bed. Alright, here we are.
There's no Christmas presents in here. I don't see any. Okay.
This is actually Shark Puppet Goes to Walmart in Colorado Springs Part 2. Cause I made the other one in 8 months ago, I think.
Why is that being reopened?
Bro, what? Okay, guys, I'm gonna buckle my seatbelt.
Is that you opening the garage?
Alright, guys, we're gonna go head to Walmart. So I'm gonna be speeding up the video and play some music. So let's go.
Mike D, you can't do this to him, man.
DJ Stackback made this beat. I thought our love was real, but I guess that was a lie. Every time I look at old pictures, I just wanna cry. There is always a tear coming out of my eye. We'll never forget the day that you said bye-bye. I thought our love was real, but I guess that was a lie. Every time I look at old pictures, I just wanna cry. There is always a tear coming out of my eye. We'll never forget the day that you said bye-bye. You said bye-bye, why did you have to go? No.
Alright, guys. Here we are. Over there, it's Walmart. Let's go. Here. Yeah. Alright, now let's go ahead and walk to Walmart. Here we are. Walmart. Walmart. Let's go inside of the building. Yeah. Alright, let's go grab a cart. Let's go grab a shopping cart. Yep. Careful. Oh. Yep. Alright, let's go.
Gotta get a couple things, then we'll go get you.
Okay.
Look at the phones.
Yep.
All this Christmas stuff.
Well, look at all this Christmas stuff. Guys, it's about to be Christmas in 2023. Let's go. Yeah. My favorite holiday is Christmas. Cause you get all of the so cool Christmas presents. But if you want to have the Christmas presents, you have to behave. Behave.
Left here.
Oh, left? Oh, got it. Yeah.
You gotta get some vitamins for Daddy real quick.
Wish I could ride the shopping cart, but I'm too big.
Wrong side.
Oh, these are cool. They look like octopus.
Yep, these are worth it.
Here, vitamins.
vitamins are here somewhere.
Which one do we need to pick?
I'm not sure. Let me read them. It's one of
Yeah. Vitamins. Fiber Events gummies. Yeah, alright. Let's go.
sorry.
Let's get the next item. Yeah.
Sorry, we need hairspray.
Oh,
We're out.
okay. Let's go grab some hairspray if we can find them.
Here they
Cause, oh, there they are.
Excuse us.
Excuse us. Ooh, bath. Bubble bath. This looks Old Spice. That's what I used to be looking at. Native body wash. It's just body wash. Let's try to go to the next station. Yep. Well, that looks cool.
They don't have the kind you guys use.
What?
The hairspray you guys use.
What the heck?
All they have is this stuff. So, we're going to have to pick one.
What the heck? Alright, guys, we got the wet ones. It's the weirdest wipe brands ever, but yeah. This hairspray sucks. Oh,
Bell's hairspray?
Otter Buster? No? Yeah?
We can use this. This might scare Zach. We can use it on you, but it scares Zach.
Yeah, let's see what it is.
Shh, that's why. I just don't want to
It
use that, but I
is
guess we have to.
Tresemme
Tresemme.
Mousse.
Tresemme.
It's mousse. Yeah. Everyday low prices. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, wait. Here's some more hairspray.
Oh, got it.
Over here. Oh, we have it here.
Some more of Old Spice. Yeah.
Black.
Oh, wait, what?
Nope, I don't see yours, though.
I found long mousse.
Yeah, this, but no.
Just
Hairspray.
one step wave hairspray.
This is for people with wavy hair.
Oh.
This is to texturize hair. Volume. Okay. Yeah, like I said, we'll have to order it.
Oh my gosh, we have to order it on Amazon or something. Yeah, let's go see in this section. Oh. Okay. Yeah, look at these beautiful items. Yep.
It's not here.
Okay, leave this section and go to the other section. Bro, Mama said no. M&M's. Oh, sorry. Some more stuffy. Mode. Oh, here's the toys. I can see them.
This looks different. But... Okay, let me look at my list. That's everything.
Yeah, I used to see the camera right there. Yeah. It's a Walmart camera.
What's this? Doritos.
Doritos.
Eyeshadow.
Doritos eyeshadow. That's
So
the.
weird.
What the heck? They also have Fruity Pebbles. Bro, they have the Cheetos eyeshadow. What the heck is going on? Whoa. Look at this. Look at this.
Yep, all those lipsticks.
Yeah. So weird. Bro, look.
Step one.
Look at this. Nail polish. Cosmetic brush set. I want that. I want to act like it's a paintbrush. Yeah. Oh, what are these? Color therapy.
I was like, what is all this? Oh, because people are opening it and painting it on so they can see what it looks like.
Doesn't surprise me.
I know. I'm like, what is that? Okay.
Oh my gosh, that's so weird.
Fall through the cart? No, it's not. Okay. Let's see. Makeup remover away. That's all they have is these ones over here.
Well, they have the Dove Man. They have Dove Man. What the heck? They have some more Old Spice stuff.
Oh, here they are.
Yeah. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Yeah. Oh, nice.
Got 'em. Right, so we've got your brother's milk.
What? Okay. Time to get the milk for my brother. Yeah, Christmas
And
stuff.
see an ornament you like? Pick it up because you don't have an ornament this year yet.
Oh my gosh.
There's some here, and there's some more on the other side. And there's some in each aisle.
This is... this one? Mom, this one? This one.
You like the Christmas tree?
Yeah.
Okay. You can get that.
And this one.
Oh, you can only get one.
Okay, I'll only get one.
You like the Christmas tree?
Yeah. Yeah.
You
Okay.
have room for us to write your name? Yep, we can write your name inside. And the
Yeah.
year.
Oh yeah. Yeah, Christmas tree ornament for Christmas. Wait, what? I want to get the bell ornament.
You like that
What
one
does
better?
it? Yeah, what does it sound like?
Does it make a noise?
Oh, it has no bell.
There's no bell in it, though. That's kind of sucky.
Uh,
Nope, no bell.
joy. Joy ornament. And we got the train. That.
You can find a bell. Look around. They might have one for you.
All right. These beautiful Christmas Oh, this should be good. This probably can be good for our decoration section. Things to paint with.
It's actually cool.
Yeah. So we got the Santa, and we got the Nutcracker. Yeah. Whoa.
Look at the size of the balls.
What? Oh my gosh. Here, we want to buy this for our Christmas decoration. These trucks. Can we have this for our Christmas decoration?
Mm-hmm.
This one and this.
We have some already.
What?
At home. Yeah, we have Christmas decorations.
Oh. Well, look at these. This should
Cool, huh?
this should be really good. Whoa, what the heck is this? Gingerbread house. And we got this one. Hey Santa, and when you like what to give me Christmas presents? Yeah. What's in here? Nothing. We got these houses. So cool. Yeah. And go over here. We got some more beautiful ornaments. Yep. We got this wrapping thing. Yep. Yeah, ornaments.
I'll hold it. Go ahead.
Okay, grab the ornaments. Yeah, next aisle.
I like these too.
I already have this Tumblebee at home. I don't know if it works, but yeah. Oh, these are wow, snowman ornaments. I think they're snowman ornaments. I don't know, but and we got these gift jars and we got more ornaments right here. And we got these. These are Christmas rolls for the presents. That's what I think. Yeah, ribbons. There's ribbons. Wow, look at these beautiful ornaments.
Those are pretty, huh?
Yeah, I wanna grab one. Oh, those are cool.
You like them?
Yeah.
So these.
My mom's a nurse, so we're gonna be buying this nurse ornament.
Move this one so you can get it.
Alright, here we go. Ew, nurse ornament. Okay, carefully put it into the cart.
The other ones say firefighter and stuff.
Alright. Yeah. Alright. Here, give me a sec, guys. I'm gonna put it into the normal place. Perfect. Alright, look at this beautiful bell. Oh, it's not a bell, it's a Barbie ornament. Okay.
You ornament?
Yep, I found a Barbie ornament right here. We got some more of these ornaments right here. They look beautiful. They look beautiful.
I'm trying to find silver stuff because we're changed our ornaments from gold to silver.
Yeah, next style. Yeah, next style. Yeah, what is this? Oh, it's a garden area. Got it.
What's in there? Decorations.
Yeah, let's go into the area. Oh, this looks sick.
Let's go left first.
Oh, smells like mint.
Christmas.
Candy.
Yeah, bunch of stuff.
Wow.
Kind of dark, you know.
Wow. Oh,
See those big old lights.
I want this to be outside. Oh, these are perfect. And oh, nice. Well, this guy should be really good outside.
It's too big, baby.
Oh, too big.
Yeah, it was fine. And plus, I don't want dolls and stuff out in the front. It kind of freaks me out.
Alright,
I
this.
don't mind no blow up stuff. Like, I don't mind stuff like this,
Mhm.
but I don't want anything that blows up.
What's your favorite about these?
I like the deer.
Deer?
I like the deer here. I like
Oh.
the Christmas trees.
Yeah, I want the deer.
And,
Oh,
I
I
have
caught.
to, but I have to ask Daddy before we buy stuff, big stuff like that. Okay,
Oh, got it.
make sure it's okay with him.
I like the music.
But we do need the lights though.
The music. Look.
I can use it too.
Okay, let's go. And we got these shovels for the snow. Okay. Okay.
Oh, grill stuff.
Oh, looks beautiful, doggy. This is a rough and a rough. I rather want to buy it. Ching! Well, I only got $1 million, but oh, let's go. Look some more. You.
Christmas lights, I see him.
You. Huh? Oh, this is cool.
You're not Wi-Fi though. I want Wi-Fi.
You.
Okay, so tell me if you see something that have Wi-Fi, okay?
Okay, got it. Alright, guys, that was all. Let's go to the next aisle. Let's go.
Coming over there for no reason.
Oh my gosh, I want some. Can we go somewhere else? You.
Zach might like that.
Yeah.
Probably Dad.
Wow. Give me these. Can I have them? Wait, look. What the frick is this? What the frick? Oh, massive monster truck. Let's see. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in a minute when we arrive in the next aisle. Diapers. Perfect. Now the pee-pee wipes. Whatever it is. Wipes for my brother. Alright, let's go. Next aisle.
That's gonna love it, huh?
Yeah. Here, let me do it again. Okay, let me do it up. Here, watch. Ready? Cups.
Thank you. You need lids anyway. Okay.
Alright, next aisle.
Excuse us.
Peanut butter. If you're allergic to peanuts, dislike the video. Alright. But if you're not allergic to peanuts, like and subscribe. Alright, next aisle.
Okay.
Monster Energy.
Milk for Zach and then phone.
If you're 13-year-old and you drink Monster Energy, like and subscribe. Milk. It's too heavy. It's too heavy, bro. Jeez. Alright, next aisle.
You want?
Great value chocolate cupcakes. Chocolate cupcakes. Oh, you have to grab the whole bag. You have to grab the whole pack. The whole pack.
Right. You gonna eat
Yeah.
these?
Yep.
You don't, Daddy will eat them all.
Alright, next aisle. Let's go. Wee! You. Yeah. So these. Ooh, Hawaiian Punch. I want to have it. I want Hawaiian Punch.
You want some Hawaiian Punch?
Yeah. Alright, we grabbed some Hawaiian Punch. Let's just continue to the next aisle. Yeah. Double milk chocolate Milano. The bag almost like goldfish.
It is, huh?
Yeah. Let's just put it in there. Perfect.
Top ones, right?
Yeah. Soft baked cookies. Let's go.
Alright.
At the cart.
Let's go hurry up and get a phone now.
Alright, time to buy my new phone. Whatever it is, let's go. Here we are. Wow, Nintendo stuff. Let's go this way. Wow. Alright. These are computers. Bro, they're missing one key. Bro.
Mess with them and break them.
This one works, but... Wait, gaming computer? Whoa. That looks like an Alienware. Look at this. Look at this. It's an Acer. What? It's in setup mode for some reason. And we got this one and this one. And this Asus. Oh, look at this. This is a Windows 11.
I'm gonna get Daddy one of these for Christmas ones.
Yeah. Look at this beautiful PC to download Gorilla Tag mods. Jeez, big TV. Ew, look at these TVs. Bro, so cool. Are these the phones? No. Nope. Phone cases, they're just phone cases. Oh my gosh, I want a Roku camera. Oh, there they are. Let's see, Cricket, iPhone for $299. I mean, $299. My bad. And we got this TCL Flip 2. Here. Give me. Guys, remember me get the shock flip? It was a year ago. But yeah, but it's now at Walmart. The shock flip's now at Walmart. And I already have this.
You already have all those. You don't have the Orbic Joy. No, you don't have that one.
Orbic Joy.
TCL 30.
Alright, I'm gonna buy 2 phones. So I'm gonna buy the Moto G Stylus Cricket phone, and I'm gonna buy this consumer cellular with mommy money.
That's your money for Christmas.
Yeah. I want the Roku security camera for Christmas.
You want this?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll remember that.
Yeah, let's go. Wait, what? Oh my gosh, iPhone 15 Pro? Woo! Woo!
TCL Flip Pro.
I think this is what the iPhone 15 Pro looks like, I think.
It's 23.
Demo loop. Alright, we got 1 on the demo loop. And we got a KaiOS phone which doesn't power on. And look at this! Galaxy S23 Plus. So cool. And we got this phone. What does it look like? It's the Moto G Play. Nice. And we got this phone.
Does this thing have a touchscreen?
Huh?
TCL Classic have a touchscreen?
It
It was $85.
Wait,
It's
what?
surprising it's that expensive.
Wait, what? Let's see. It looks like a Alcatel.
Is it TCL?
No.
It says it is. Okay, let's go ask. Yeah. Oh, I think my phone's over here. I didn't see these.
Oh.
Not many. Yeah, some.
Yo. Okay, let me stop the video real quick.
Oh, these are iPhones. That's
Alright, so I can buy 2 phones. So, I want to get the Moto G Stylus right here and the other one over here.
I'm going to get that one and then you can show them the next one. Okay.
Okay. Alright, he's unlocking. Alright, you got the Moto G. Beautiful phone. Okay.
I think it's kind of weird.
Now the second one is the flip phone right here. Yo. Wait. Perfect.
It's telling thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, let's go to the checkout. Alright. Okay, mommy's credit card. Alright. Insert.
Wait till he says how much it is.
Alright. Okay. Alright.
They both know how much? They bought things. Do you know how much?
Alright, insert the card. Nope. Key pin.
Do you remember? Go ahead.
Alright, I'm gonna hide the key pin. think that's the passcode. Enter. Remove card. Alright. Thank you for shopping at Walmart. So guys, the one thing I missed in 2020 is the insert cash or select payment type.
We're going to put this here so people know we bought it. Okay. Alright, let's go pay for this stuff so we can go home.
Yeah.
I'll go get food, actually.
I wish they sell the old devices right there. Roku Express. Wish I had one. Alright guys, that's all. We're going to be going to the checkout, and after that, the video ends. Alright guys, here we are at the checkout. Alright, let's go. Purchase station.
There you are.
Yo, time to scan. Okay, perfect.
Let me put it in. You can scan. I'll put it in. Just want to make sure we fit as much as possible.
Alright, the second one. Is it on the bottom?
Yep.
Alright. Okay.
Good job.
Yo. And this one?
Most of it's on the bottom.
Yo, more items.
That's a good one.
Yo. Oh, ornament. Oh, what the heck? I grab the ornament and scan. Perfect. Put it in there.
Let's do the peanut butter next since it's heavy. So we can get it to
Alright.
the bottom there. Okay, go ahead.
Alright. Yo, scan this one. Actually, scan this one.
Yeah, good idea.
Alright. Yo, peanut butter. Huh? Here, the scanner.
There you
Okay.
go. You have to hold it close is all.
Yo. Alright, this one. Scanner is...
You actually don't have to look if you just go, because there's one here and one here. So if you just go. Oops. So I tell you it doesn't work.
Oh, okay.
Usually should go.
Alright, tiny scanner.
That one, yeah, that one you will have to see
Oh, what the heck?
because it's got a tag one. So you have
Alright,
to-
tag.
Oops.
Alright, put
Show
the
the tag
tag.
down. There you
Perfect.
go. Thank you. Oops, careful.
Oh, sorry.
This one to break.
Alright, now this one. The scanner's on the bottom, and then... Oh, what the... Oh, there we go.
So I do sometimes I just bring it to the bottom.
Yo, let's go. Oh, cups. Alright, scanner right there, and then just... Oh, this one.
Almost forgot our cookies.
Okay. Looking good. And another one.
Okay, you can't touch this, so I'm going to do this one, okay?
Alright.
I'm going to leave
Yep.
it here because you need to see it like that.
Alright. This one.
Put this down there.
This one.
Yep.
Alright.
Thank you.
Then this one.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
And the...
Nail polish. Scan.
You didn't just not touching it, I touched it. 'Cause I know he's scanning, so... Thank you very much. Last thing that's gonna fit.
Yeah.
You just put it there,
Okay.
so we don't forget what we scanned.
Yeah. Hawaiian punch. What do you scan it at?
Just run it across the bottom. Sometimes it'll just pick it up. See?
Oh, got it.
This is the diapers.
Alright. Alright, use this.
Not sure which one it
Okay.
is. Just try this one first.
Let's do. Perfect.
Okay, milk.
Milk, and then perfect.
And then these two.
Okay, and then boom, and then boom. All right, put it back.
Push pay.
Okay, push pay. Where?
The blue button.
Oh yeah, pay $140. Okay.
Did it work? Okay. And then there's the card. Let you do all that.
All right, insert cash or select payment type. All ready?
Back in there, good though. Perfect.
Would you like cash back?
No, thank you.
Okay, no. Okay, please wait. Keep in. All right. Please remove card.
Thank you.
That was easy.
And then it's going to ask how we want our receipt. Do text message.
Text message.
And then you put mommy's phone number in.
All right. I'm going to hide the phone number so you won't see it.
Day today.
All right. We liked our day today. And thank you for shopping at Walmart. All right, let's go.
Oh, yeah, food.
Yep.
Want me to drop you off at home so you can get your phones out?
Yeah.
Go get it.
Great idea. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. That was.
Get money for the guy.
Oh. Yeah,
There's
that's.
two on clap. It's probably these two.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
All right, let's let him check the money.
Thank you. You too.
All right, let's go.
Is there an ATM here? Do you guys have an ATM?
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you. This real quick get some money for the
All right,
guy
guys.
out there freezing his
Thank
butt
you
off.
for watching To Go Shopping at Walmart, and see you in the next video tomorrow.
Yep, I knew it.
Okay, bye.